Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is May the 11th, 2021. You guys can already tell we are going to talk about Cardano, ADA, give you all the price prediction update into the market. I'm going to zoom in and let you all see what has occurred since our last video about ADA. You guys can tell that we were playing the strength into the market, expecting the market in Cardano to continue to see higher price movement, and that is precisely the course or the track that we are seeing the market go on right now. So we're going to try to answer the question whether or not the market will continue to go higher in price, or can we expect some decrease in value for this particular cryptocurrency. So before I break into all of that, make sure if y'all appreciate the content, hit the like button, share, subscribe. We're one of the only organization that's eradicating or erasing a lot of the confusion, a lot of the technical jargon that so many other people place on their charts. It doesn't require all of that, and I'm simply here to show you all that you can actually predict price movement all without being confused. And as well, we're not here to hype you up. We're not here to get you to feel a certain way to go out and purchase these cryptocurrencies, because we also realize that the market also decreases in value as well too. So if you want to learn more, if you want to become part of our community, like I said earlier, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and also come back again and again in order to ensure that you are learning as much as possible so that you can do this for yourself. So the last time we did our video in Cardano was actually on May the 7th. You guys can see right here is when we did our price prediction, and we told you all from the outset of that particular prediction that as long as the market in Cardano continues to trade its price above our support area, that we would be expecting the market to go higher. And it has occurred. We've seen 2 days right here to where the market in Cardano saw profitability from where we started our price prediction, right? Now, it's been mixed in with volatility, with some spread movements, with some higher increase in volume. We all can see that, okay? So what's going on today in the market in Cardano is going to be real important to determine if the weakness is still having a massive impact on this price movement higher. Because right now, we're seeing the market in Cardano up almost 4%. And the weakness that came through right here on the 10th and the 9th of May is not having any impact on the movement lower in price for Cardano. So actually, the market is still pretty healthy in terms of the movement high in price. So we're still seeing the trap wanting to increase the price of Cardano. So actually, our prediction that we've garnered back here in May the 7th is still on course to continue to play out. So you can see here, I mentioned on that particular video as well on May the 7th that anywhere in the green will be TP. So we've had opportunity in Cardano over the last 2 days to take some profitability out the market, right? This is how you're able to get the bag from the trap. You got to understand when to get in and when to get out, and not just be greedy and expect the market to continually go higher and higher in price, even though as I zoom out, you all can tell that we're in an upward trend. Right? You can come in and take profits as you're stair stepping your way higher. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay. So let me do this real quick. I want to see if the market actually is giving us a lot of strength in the long term. We got 1 day and 14 hours left in the market on this 2-day price bar. If we only had a couple of hours left on this current 2-day price bar, I would be definitely telling you all that the market in Cardano is wanting to make all-time highs again. Like the demand in the market in Cardano is definitely apparent, and right now, even here on the 2-day time frame price chart, I'm still seeing the indication that the market is going to continue to go higher. I just don't see any weakness there yet. The 3-day time frame, you guys can see that this is a probable precursor of strength, meaning then the following 3-day price bar that is going to be created, we'll have to see the market close above the current close of this 3-day price bar right here. We will have to see the market close above it, because if we don't, then that means that it was a false indication of strength, and that you would expect us to have at least consolidate, trade sideways, or expect the market to drop in price. That's it. Now, this is the 5-day. Okay, just started. The high volume on this last completed 5-day price bar tells us that, yeah, there were some selling going on into the market in Cardano. So we're kind of seeing the further out in time we go that we're seeing a little bit more indication of weakness entering the market in Cardano. We need to be careful of that. Okay. that in the long term, we can actually still see this market in Cardano drop in price. This volume, we haven't seen this much volume in Cardano ever since where the market was trading at, $1.20, $1.30 back here during the 5-day period of March the 17th. Okay. So let me look at this on the weekly time frame. Pretty much the weekly time frame looks great. The spread where we close that into the market in Cardano also lets us know that there's not that much weakness in the space. So I'm not really too concerned right now with the weakness that is present into the market in Cardano, at least to the standpoint that we can see the market hit our ultimate TP price. Okay, so I'm actually expecting the trap over the next couple of days to try to come in and hit our TP price, which is all the way up there around $1.90. Might even hit $2 as well over the next couple of trading days. Okay, so you guys can see right here, even on the hourly time frame, we need to pay attention to where the footprints are at. Okay, you guys can see the high volume price bar right there. That lets you know that we've seen a massive influx of some massive institution, a big individual who has a lot of ADA tokens into the market. They came in and purchased a lot of the ADA tokens at this particular price range, just to prop up the price. So this also alone lets me know that the market in Cardano is able to maintain the strength and that we're going to expect the price to go higher. So let me switch back over to the daily time frame and just recap what I talked about. I'm not really expecting the market to go lower right now in Cardano. Still expecting it to go higher in price. If you couldn't grab any of the profitability out the last 2 days, you might have another opportunity going forward over the next 3 days to take out some of this profit into the market in Cardano. So we're not going to alter our prediction. We're going to continue to ride on with it. The market still looks in tune to continue to show us that it wants to continue to see the higher price. Okay, and that's how we're going to play the market out. So now it is your turn. We need you all to understand you need to be self-sufficient, independent in your own thinking and knowledge, and call the market for yourself. You need to make sure that you can do this on your own so that you won't be dependent on any of the YouTubers, even myself, in regarding where price is going to go, right? You need to learn this for yourself, all without being confused, so that you'll know when to get into the market, and then you also know when to take the bag and take the profit and go on to the next play. You need to learn it if you want to be efficient in this market. Okay, so drop the comment in the comment section. Let me know, where do you all think the market price in Cardano is going to go? Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.